Hello ladies and gentlemen, Vinny Eastwood reporting. It's now the end of the day outside court and all the submissions are in from both the prosecution and the defence. And because it was so voluminous, the judge has decided to reserve his decision for between 3 and 6 weeks. It was quite a funny thing that we thought that maybe the best idea would be to hold his decision until election day. So that was funny. Got a bit of a laugh from the crowd. And also I'd like to commend the lawyers of ours, Borich, Nathan and Nathan Batts, rather, and the submissions that Paul Borich gave were pretty awesome and actually got a bit of a laugh and a roar from the crowd when he was talking about how other people who have committed real crimes and things of that nature are perhaps getting themselves off or on home detention or something of that nature, whereas Billy and myself are being sentenced to prison ostensibly for being within 2 meters of another human being. I thought it was just classic. Got that big uproar from the crowd. And so in the context of this, people have protested before based on their moral convictions, as Billy and I have done. We genuinely believed, and we know now from the evidence that has come out subsequently since the protest, what we were doing. And I do believe that the judge may be open to that possibility, that we were acting in genuine fashion and we were doing what we thought was right. Now, it's just a waiting game, I'm afraid, but Rebecca's happy that she doesn't have to look forward to me going to jail today at least. So I've got another 3 to 6 weeks with my honey and our little baby boy Alfie. And yeah, we had a lot of people come up to support us. And again, I'd like to reiterate that the court put the wrong time up for our case. We were meant to be on at 10 a.m, but it was publicly posted as being up at 2:15 p.m. And that is when the one media reporter, I presume from stuff.co.nz, turned up. And that was when the police were giving their submissions about why we should be punished, why it's an egregious breach, why we're such bad people. And so, you know, I think there's a speculation that that kind of misdirection was perhaps deliberate and not a mistake. And we do know that Calvin Alp from Counterspin was coming today. We actually saw him at an intersection on Simon Street, but he didn't see us. And by the time he got down here, he saw that the case was at 2:15, and he decided that he had to leave because he had other things to do today. So that was very unfortunate, and of course wouldn't have happened if the courts had put up the correct time earlier. So was it an act of sabotage? Who knows? But in the meantime, I'm still technically a slave. I was going to say I'm free, but I'm just still technically a slave. But I'm not in prison. So that's absolutely fantastic to me, and I'm very grateful for that. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please support us at vinnyeastwood.com. That's Vinny with a Y because it's the most important question. And Eastwood, like, go ahead, make my news. Thanks so much for watching.